Welcome back to the Man Cave, everyone. I'm Mr. Man. Today we're here playing Chained Together with Nathan.
Hello, my friends. I am Wheezingcheese.
And William.
Hello, I am William. Or Lava1staff.
Now, I know this is a horror YouTube channel, and so we're taking a little bit of a stretch from that, but for me, this is still gonna be horrific, probably, because, you know, we're probably gonna die a lot. No! No! There wasn't a montage there, right? Right? Okay. Alright. Alright, wait, so I'm in the back. I'm last. So who's middle? Oh wait. Or
I'm in the middle.
okay, oh no, Nathan, of course Nathan's in the middle. Alright, so I think alright, so we can pull each other.
Wait.
So I can like pull you over here, so
What are the controls? I actually like
so it's, you know, space to jump, WAS and D to move, you know, all that good stuff. And,
Yep.
But then we can hold E to pull each other. So like when we fall, we can pull back up. So okay, so maybe this is a little bit horror because, you know, I see hell. This seems like we might be in hell. And,
Have
know,
you seen the trailer
Just
for this
maybe.
game? It's like so dramatic.
Lost
Oh.
souls. Do you want to escape the flames of hell?
Yeah, that sounds good.
How fortunate. For I was growing bored.
I'm sorry
I'm
for
sorry
you.
to hear that.
Little game. If you're brave, you may try to reach paradise. Not sure if you're capable, though.
Oh dear.
I usually await your falls and the very first hurdles.
All right, well, I'm down. You guys down?
I'll raise it to the top.
Oh wait, can we sprint? Is shift sprint?
Yes, shift.
All right, we gotta like figure out this order thing. All right, everyone get on. I think this might be an elevator. Okay, we're ascending from the depths of hell
somewhere.
into
What
more
would happen
hell.
if I just jumped off?
I'll pull you up, I guess.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
pull me back up.
Oh!
No, pull me back
is
up.
hard.
Pull me back up.
It's pulling me as well. It's kind of difficult.
Pull me back up.
Dude, I literally can't.
You gotta hold E.
Hold E and nothing
You're
else.
in the ground now, Ben. I hate to break it to you.
Oh no!
Oh,
no!
oh, okay. Well, that sucks.
Well, attempt one.
Well, it seems we have already fallen.
Ben, you need an attempt counter.
All right, Ben. I need you to not do that this time.
Okay, you know what? Actually, yeah, we're gonna have a fall counter right in the top right or whatever point I'm pointing.
Whatever
in.
corner.
That's where we're gonna have the attempts. All right, let's just go. I feel like this area is pretty easy. Oh wait. We need to get in the line though, right? All right. So who's first?
Wait.
Hang on.
Wait.
Hang on.
I'm used to playing Minecraft where
Okay.
my sprint
So-
is actually E.
So I'm first. Nathan's second, and then William's last. So you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Totally.
Ooh.
No. Okay. All right. Hang on. We just gotta.
Oh my God.
Boom.
Pull me up,
I'm
pull me up.
Pull him up. Okay. All right. We're good. All right.
so
All right.
hard to
Ready?
control your
3,
character
2,
while doing that.
1, go. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. See?
I'm moving.
You don't actually think you
Oh, hello, my friend.
escaping from here?
Hi.
I bet 10 souls you'll fall long before you catch even a glimpse of sunlight.
Nuh-uh.
That's rude.
Limbs already. We can already see
You're supposed
sunlight,
to be
so.
setting up the next challenges as I command.
Of course, my lord. My apologies. Their despair is just too entertaining. Back to work I go. Immediately.
All right. We got this.
Yeah, we're good. We're goated. We're goated with the sauce, as one might say.
All right. Let's take this chain nice and slow. Okay. We got this.
I've played too many Roblox obbies to fail this.
Yo, we can probably just walk mostly. We got this. Just don't.
I don't
want
want to get too cocky.
Okay, I might be getting a little cocky.
Yeah, I think you are. I was fearing for my life for
Okay,
a
all right.
second there.
All right, we're good. Okay. Okay.
Uh-oh.
All right. Well, I'm sure they're fine.
Where do you go if you die in hell?
Hold on, Ben. Give me a moment.
Hold it.
Okay. All right. Wait. Do we want to cut the corner or just go around?
I'd rather go around.
Okay. All right. Let's play it safe. Okay. All right. So I'm assuming we gotta jump over these. So. All right, go.
This is just a harder Roblox obby. I've got this.
All right, yeah. All right, and go.
This is scary.
Guys, we're so good at this.
Do not fall.
All right,
We're just scale the wall. Okay.
all right. So
I scale this wall. Oh, there you go.
we're just so good at games, guys. All right, do we?
Trampoline.
Oh, is this trampoline?
I think we're jumping the.
Oh, okay, wait, don't commit, don't commit, don't commit, don't commit, don't commit.
on.
All right. Okay, all right, ready? 3,
Sprint jump.
2, 1, go. And go. Okay, all right, ready, and go. Go. And go.
No, ah! I made it.
All right, we're good. All right, and that's scary.
I guess I'm first.
Yeah, that's kind of ominous, but it's
All
okay.
right, it's okay. Don't worry about it. This isn't a horror game.
All I hear are flames above my head.
All right, a ladder. This seems
It's
okay.
a ladder.
It's a ladder.
Who could have thunk?
All right.
Oh, that looks fun.
All right, let's do it, guys.
As long as
All right, let's go this way.
Give me a second.
Hold on, give Will a second. He needs to climb. Oh, Ben, don't pull me.
Ben, we can be in. Ben, you can wait for us.
Oh!
There is no
Nathan.
There is no player collision.
I'm. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, I thought you just died for a second there.
You know what would be the fun idea?
What would be a fun idea?
If you play like a
No! Oh! No!
No!
um
Nathan, I blame you.
You blame me!
that was
Yeah,
Ben.
That was entirely your fault.
How do you
I
fall?
didn't-
Completely your fault.
I don't think it was.
Let's go back to the elevator of shame.
Come here, buddy.
No.
Come here.
I don't know.
Ben, I'm gonna hurt you. This is a threat.
All right.
see
You know what?
if I
Wait.
go
Let's
out-
just go. Let's just go. Just run it. We've
Just
done
go,
it.
Brosus.
Just go. Oh!
Yeah.
No! All right. So I think that was William's fault because he didn't commit.
No, I committed.
You can't be scared, William.
Oh no! No!
You actually suck.
Bring me back
Hey,
up.
pull up,
No,
pull up.
you gotta pull me up.
Now I am falling.
Not like that. William, you gotta save us. Alright,
stuck
bring me
in the
back.
floor.
Bring me back up. Bring me back up. Come on. Get off the elevator though. No!
Alright, that brings us up to 5, I think.
No, that's
Or
4. Alright, guys, we gotta
elevator's
take.
the hardest
We
part.
have
So,
to take this
how about
seriously.
Don't touch me.
No, wait. Instead of going out, what if we go this way?
What way?
Oh, there's like a little bone thing right there.
Oh, okay.
That guy's not having a good time.
I think most people in hell aren't having a good time, generally.
I mean, generally speaking, yeah.
The demons probably have a really fun time though.
See, look how easy this is.
Yeah, we made this a lot more dramatic last time.
Wait, who fell?
That was
Me.
me.
No! Pull me back up, pull me. You know, Nathan, just get there. Okay, alright, we're good. Nicely done, Nathan.
Don't scare me like that.
You know, that was actually kind of. I know William didn't do that on purpose, but that was kind of like a counterweight almost what William did.
Yeah.
At the same
Can you,
time.
like... Can you climb faster than I am or something?
Hold shift maybe? No.
Because
No, it-
William's moving faster than me.
No, it seems like he is moving faster. Maybe, who knows? Maybe old men are just really fast.
Or maybe because I didn't jump on, I kind of just walked on.
All right, ready? Just commit. Ready? Go.
Go!
Go. Okay.
Go!
Oh. And go.
Go!
Professionals. Professionals. We're so good. What just
I'm
happened?
on top of the light post.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nate, how's it being in the middle?
Pain, actually.
I think it's pain for all of us, though. Let's be honest.
Ben, don't fail his bones this time.
Back. Those guys.
Oh!
fell.
Ah! It's okay.
Okay. Let me analyze this. Hang on.
Analyzing,
Straight.
analyzing.
Why turn right now? Just go
Yeah,
straight.
we could just go straight.
Okay. After much consideration, I think we could just go straight.
Who could have thunk?
We have to
Keep
get-
going straight, honestly.
Yeah, straight. Oh wait, no, it's not connected there.
It's not?
No.
What do you mean?
It's not connected
No,
there. You'd have
it is.
to. No, it's
Depends
not.
on where we're trying to go.
We need to get. See, no, it's a dead end here.
Yeah, where are we trying to go? We're trying to get up onto that,
Yeah, onto that.
follow
So
me,
yeah,
follow
so
me, follow me.
William's in front now.
Nate,
Okay.
Follow Will.
Yep.
William!
uh-oh.
Oh! No!
Well,
Well,
I guess I don't
that's.
play enough Roblox.
Oh, look at that guy over there. I just noticed that guy. Look at him.
Okay.
Look at that guy to your right. Look at that
To
guy.
my right. Look at giant volcano.
No. The big guy that's moving
Oh!
over there.
Hey, buddy.
Look at him. I wonder
Yeah.
what he's doing.
I wonder. He looks like he's just kind of vibing.
He's hot.
Honestly?
Like, he's panting
Yeah.
like a dog.
William, did you just say he's hot?
Well, yeah, he's panting like a dog.
Oh, I thought you meant hot as in attractive. I was like, is that really your
Yeah.
thing? Is that what you're into?
I think he's just.
Listen, I don't shame, but like, that's a little wild.
That's a little different.
I
Alright,
guess Ben
let's try
tried
it.
again.
3, 2, 1, go. We're so good. Alright, jump. 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 Jump.
What happens if you trigger that?
You probably get thrown off, is my guess.
Or did I just sprint onto it?
Alright, let's go.
Oh. Okay, that was not. No,
Uh-oh.
no.
I
Okay,
went
we're
through
cutting
the
it.
windmill. I went through the windmill. So,
That was not very
Game?
pro gamer, guys.
game physics working as intended.
My hands are sweating right now.
Dude, this game is intense. So it's this thing again, guys.
Third time's the charm.
Third time's the charm. Yeah.
Let's huddle up, okay?
Huddling up.
Huddle up,
Huddling
okay?
up.
Guys.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, so here's the goal, okay?
Yeah.
Don't fall. Got
Sounds
it?
good.
Okay, let's do
Got
this.
it.
All right, so you gotta jump and then click W.
Yeah. Come on, Will.
I'm taking my time.
All right, we're good. All right, take a breather. We good?
Taking a breather.
All right, we good?
I got this.
All right, let's go.
You're not following your own advice, bud.
What?
You're jumping before you press W.
I know, I just said that. I said jump and then
To the
press.
right.
I said jump
right,
at.
to the right, to
You're
the
jumping
right.
after you press W.
No, I'm. Okay. All right. We might have this, guys. This might be the one. Just don't fall. That
Basically,
means to
just
you,
don't
William.
be an idiot.
All right, is that the? Okay, this.
All right, let's see.
This is the way.
Yeah, yep, going up.
Oh,
Ben.
we're okay. We're almost there. All right, we good?
Okay. Yeah.
We did it! Wait.
Oh, slow down there, player.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't go.
We did it, guys.
Trampoline.
All right.
Okay, we gotta assess where we're
Trampoline
going
to
here.
where?
Do we just want to?
So that rock right there.
Okay.
No, wait. Do we just want to
Hang on, hang on.
Don't
Don't
contest
commit. Don't commit.
Ah!
Don't. Okay. All right. Wait a second. Okay. You guys ready? And commit.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on.
All right. And
Just
next.
uno momento.
Okay. All right. Let's breathe a second. Yeah, all right. After this one, we're gonna commit. All right. Ready? And go. Go. No. Will. Go.
Get on the rock!
Hey, you almost did that.
Nathan, you almost through.
You've climbed a ladder. Feeling proud, are you?
I'm very proud.
Climb.
I'm climbing.
Carried away.
I'm getting carried away.
It's only to a level you will fail.
Oh.
That sucks.
Indulge in your false beliefs.
William, why are you so fast?
I don't know.
Maybe
Like the
each
speed.
character has different perks. Like maybe some jump higher, some. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, wait, hang on.
We made it to Hell Cliffs.
All right, there's a thing, a
Give me one
building
second, give me
here.
one second.
All right, guys. So this is gonna be our clubhouse, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
What if we just live here? We're off the ground.
Yeah,
No money
I
to
honestly
get
think that
blood.
here is good. All right. I think we actually beat the game. I think we're here.
Yeah.
All right, everyone.
Yeah.
So that was chained together. Oh, okay. Wait. Hang on. We almost got launched. I didn't realize that was there. And go.
Okay. Moving.
Go. No! Wait. Fred, go. No! Get us up. No!
Well,
William.
yeah, I tried.
William.
What happened to being a speed demon, William?
You're a steam demon every time that doesn't matter. All right, let's go. Whee!
Ben, care to say what happened, Ben?
I didn't do anything. I went to where we usually go, and you guys didn't follow.
You did not jump at all.
Me?
You just didn't jump.
I think I did.
You did not.
All right, guys, let's get the replay on that. I jumped.
Slow down there, player.
We're so good. No, hang on. Hang on. Pull him up.
William.
That wasn't
Okay.
me, that was Nate.
Okay.
It actually was me. I did touch the thing.
Oh, okay. Then I hate you. In that
I'll
case.
take the blame for that.
They're okay.
Who's there?
Just some people screaming, falling to their death.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right.
Alright, so do we want to be not stupid this time?
Yeah. All right. Ready? 3,
Let me get. Hold on.
3, 2, 1. Commit.
Okay.
All right. Next one. Let's just go and go.
Go.
We're so good at this.
Yup.
Faster. Maybe come in the back.
No.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Hang on.
Let's not do that.
I like went off the side. All right. So this time we need
All
to
right, so
all
let's,
get in the same spot. Like everyone get in the very same.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get like right up below. All right. Ready? No. Get down. Get down.
Not yet.
Like there.
I'm getting down a bit.
And go.
Go. Hold sprint.
That doesn't do anything.
All right. Ready? And
Is there
stop,
another
stop.
one? There's another one. Hold on.
All right. Like
You
get
get
up
closer,
here.
stop, okay.
Yep. Stop.
Nate, too high.
Nate. And go. Alright. Okay. We cleared that bit. Let's see what's in
Clubhouse
here.
number 2.
Let's see here. Clubhouse number 2. Oh, we have a bed now, guys. It's an upgrade. Alright.
Oh.
Alright, let's take a little bit of a rest.
Alright, is there any hazards that are ready to swing at us and just kill us at any moment on this ladder?
I don't see
Doesn't
any.
seem like it.
Don't see it yet.
I see a moving platform up ahead and it makes me scared.
Where?
Okay.
Oh,
Right
there.
there.
Oh, guys, a third clubhouse.
If only we
Alright.
were chained together, we would.
Alright, so how do
Alright,
we?
when it
how do
swings
we
back, get
tackle
on.
this?
When it swings back, get on. Alright, and get off.
Okay.
Just like
wait,
that.
Wait. Before we go,
Hold on.
look at in the top left. Look at we made it a tiny bit. We
Oh
made
my
it off
gosh,
the ground.
we have some progress. This is crazy.
Yippee!
Alright, ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Whoa,
Whoa!
whoa.
Whoa!
Alright,
Hold on.
alright, you're good. You're good. Alright,
Okay.
alright. To
This
the
thing
wheel.
definitely
to the wheel.
spins.
3, 2, 1, go. It doesn't spin.
Oh, really?
Alright, and to the next one. And go.
Okay.
And go.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, did you pass?
Doesn't
No?
seem like it. I don't think that rope is climbable.
Uh-oh.
Alright, we're gonna
Alright,
need...
so we have to walk onto this thing, and we have to jump over the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
So
When it comes
burny.
around.
Good luck, guys.
And go. And jump.
Jump,
And jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump. Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't. But we're
I
probably gonna
almost got knocked off, but it's okay.
Alright, I'm scared of this because these are smaller platforms. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I need
3,
to look around.
2, 1, go.
One, go.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Get up on
No,
there.
no.
Ah! Ah!
You're
Okay.
Alright. 3,
Three.
2, 1, go.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. Go for the bear. Okay. Oh! Oh! Nathan!
I thought we were just gonna go.
What's
Nathan.
this?
Oh, we got our fourth
hut number
clubhouse
4.
here.
Nice.
Oh, guys, we actually have our own bedrooms, kind of.
Sort of. We have 2 bedrooms out of 3.
And look at what we have out here.
Yeah? Oh my gosh, some nice storage.
Yeah.
This is...
Ooh.
Guys, I think that we could actually live here. Oh, and look, and we have a nice view of Mr. Monster Man.
I don't see
Oh
him
yes,
anymore.
the
Oh, there
weird
he is.
flesh monster.
Hi, buddy.
We're higher than him now.
I can't wait to fight him later. Probably. I don't know.
Fight him. Final boss fight in a parkour game. Makes a lot of sense, yeah.
Sure does.
Alright,
Another.
Guys,
Oh,
guys,
thing.
guys.
okay.
So we just have,
We have
a
laser.
thing.
We have laser. Alright,
Wait,
do we
how
wanna
do
do we wanna go yet? Okay, we
Wait,
go.
wait.
William, get near us, bro. Get
Alright,
near us. What are
we
you
got.
doing?
We have to, once it.
Once it comes back, once it goes, we go now. Go now.
Okay, alright. I jump. Perfect.
You can sprint, and you can.
Clubhouse
sprint,
number
don't forget
6 stinks.
Sucks.
that.
Alright.
Trampoline.
Yep, trampoline. Jump to the. Is that a helicopter?
I can't see. I hear
No,
like
here,
a helicopter
here,
type of
yeah.
thing.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Alright, and commit.
Surrender.
Go, go, go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Hold
It's
and
a thing.
jump and hold.
oh.
No, Ben, wait.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's
is
okay.
he supposed to just?
Yeah, it's. I think it's okay. I have to hold though. I'm holding space.
Don't.
I will not let go.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Hey, look, another clubhouse. No, hey, we gotta stop by the clubhouse, Mr. Barrel.
It looks lame anyway.
Nah, but there was 5 of them. We could have each had our own.
I count 4, but.
Okay, it might have been 4. Okay, guys, there's a car.
Ben, I think you can
Oh,
let go.
no.
There you go.
All right, guys, I'm scared
Okay,
of the
this is
car.
interesting.
Okay, it's called the
Car race.
Here I am again.
Okay.
Seeing your progress is somewhat, how should I put it? Chaotic. I've decided to give you a little help, so here's a car designed especially to speed up your journey. Well,
And also make us fall to our
your
doom.
inevitable downfall, should I say?
We have to use the card.
Oh, but don't get your hopes up.
Oh, we're just in the car now.
So,
All right, I clicked E to use. Oh, okay. All right, we're good.
Ben.
Do any of us have any
jump.
control over this car, or am I just trusting Ben with this?
I got this, guys. Have faith.
I don't trust Ben with his name.
Neither do I.
3.
Nate's been good knowing you.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
Shouldn't we just get out and
Watch
run?
out.
We're-
Hey. Okay.
Wait, what's over there? Wait.
Ben, slow down.
2, 1. What's 3, 2, 1?
I don't know. I just pressed something. Don't know what I did.
I don't like this POV.
Ooh,
Oh, Ben.
we're okay.
Ben, we should be dead.
Okay, guys, I'm good at stuff, kind of.
We should have been dead, right? Nate?
Questionable.
Wait. Watch this. Watch. Oh, no.
What in the?
Wait,
Hold
it's a
on.
cage.
Do we have to jump in the cage? No,
No,
there's
we
no
have
opening
to.
to
We
it.
have to jump. We have to like.
We have to jump when it rotates.
We're
Well, we don't
definitely
fall all the
gonna.
way down. We don't fall all the way down.
Oh yeah, we don't. We fell back to the Great Car Race.
Maybe.
No, we will.
We should. Just don't be stupid,
Alright.
Nate, and we got this.
All right.
Alright, can this cube move a little faster?
All right. Are we
Can
ready,
we
guys?
climb it?
Are we ready, boys? 3
That's the greats for climbing.
and go. No. Okay. Oh. No.
You're welcome.
Give me that. Go.
Climb. William, oh my god, you're a giga chat right now.
I can't get up.
All right. Oh, how did we do
Oh,
that? How
dude,
did
William,
we do that?
William, you're an actual savior, dude.
That was easy.
William, that was so clutch.
I don't know how we did
struggling
that.
that hard. How are you struggling that hard? That was easy.
I was literally not on it for most of that time.
Take a little peek. Uh-oh, we fall all the way down.
Oh,
Okay.
jeez. All right.
Let's be careful.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 3,
We all went before.
2, 1, go.
Nate,
Pull him up.
Save me.
I'm trying to not fall off.
Save me.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right.
Could name
all right.
this 3, 2, 1, go.
Just name the video 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Okay.
This isn't too bad. I
How-
almost died.
Okay, guys, look to our left.
Oh.
Why'd you have to say
Okay.
that? All right, let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, guys, we're almost
Okay,
400
hold on.
meters. Okay. All right, we
Yeah,
just have to
yeah,
go to that.
I'm
We
gonna
just
jump-
need. Hang on. We just.
just jump on to just see. Jump to just see what.
All right. Yeah. Don't commit. Okay. All right. We just need to get to
Oh,
that platform.
Okay, you say don't commit, and then I don't know where we're
All right.
going.
Go.
Okay.
All right. We're good. All right. This
Oh.
might not be bad.
If we
I can
look
see how
down,
this
there
is
is a
either
platform.
awful or like not bad.
Okay.
All right, let's go on this next one.
Go.
All right. Go. No.
Why would you do this to me?
All right.
Why would you do
No.
this?
Go for that. Go for that platform right there. Like right there. The platform right there.
Oh.
Okay. We
Wow.
didn't fall all the way down. We're like midway on the track.
Okay.
All right.
So we're gonna jump
Alright,
onto
let's
this
assess
one
the
pretty
situation.
All
early.
right, we gotta
So,
do.
like-
We gotta get it when it's over here. All right, do the next
Yeah.
one. No.
Hey, come
No.
back, Nate.
All
You
right,
said the next one.
the next
Well,
one.
no.
All right, and go.
Go.
No. All right, that one.
Go.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, that was.
Cool.
Do we really want to hit the switch?
Alright.
I think we're supposed to hit that.
All right.
Wait.
All right. Go.
I don't
That
want to go.
sounds
I
like
don't wanna
boss
go.
music. That sounds
Go,
like
go,
something
go.
is going to fall.
Get those mini hops in.
Go.
Nate.
No. Go. No. Back. No. All right, for the track. Track.
I panicked.
That
Okay.
sucks.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. So
I
okay.
panicked
I
and
un-
I ran back.
Yeah. Okay. So what we
I
need to
don't
do?
know
You
if
need
we-
to get the
oh.
hops in because you can't just like
Yeah.
you
Can't climb the whole time.
Yeah, because
You
that.
you have to get those mini hops.
All right, sprint. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. What, William?
Sorry. I saw something falling off. I was like, I have to just go.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Nate was off the platform on my screen.
I got you,
was
Nate.
off the
Nathan, I
platform.
got you. No. Okay, to
No.
the track. Ah!
Nate was off. I'm sorry. That was my bad.
William,
Nate
why
was
do you
off-
suck?
Nate was off the platform there.
I was not. You just fell off.
No, he looked like you were off, and then all of a sudden you just jumped. I was like, huh?
Mm-hmm. We should get this thing's rotation memorized at this point.
I don't think there is a memorization.
Yeah, I think it's random.
Really?
Yeah. All right, and
No, because it always turns. It
Go,
always
go,
turns
go,
left
go,
at
go!
the end. Why would you
No!
do that, William? Why would you do that?
I want in the car.
I don't trust you. You just killed us.
No! No!
Why would you do that? Okay, I'm spinning like a Beyblade right now. Okay.
How high do we want to get?
Don't do that, Ben.
It was an accident.
This last time we
Okay,
did,
guys.
yeah.
So we're back to the point where we with the spinning barrels, columns, whatever, and go.
I don't know if this is a barrel. Okay, we're going.
Okay. All right.
We're going, and we're failing.
All right,
we're dying.
Okay. All right. Guys, actually, wait. Just rotate on this. So get to the next side. And next side.
Whoa!
All right, and next over there.
Go.
Go. No. Okay. All right. Here. No.
Oh. Ah, we almost had it.
Go.
I was like,
Move!
give it back to this.
All right, guys. So we gotta wait. Okay, so we are gonna go for not for that one. Okay, for the next one. 3, 2, go. Go. Wait for the next one. Go. No.
Moving. Currently.
Okay.
Moving.
All right.
Okay, hold on.
I just thought we were done. We did
My
it.
way of
All right, we have to like
You ready
run
for
this.
this?
Okay, go. You can't. All right, just bunny hop it.
Mini hop. Mini hop.
Nathan, stop.
Sometimes it just happens,
Go.
pal.
You gotta press jump and then go. Almost there. Okay, we did it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
that was
all right.
scary.
All right.
Let's
So
not.
so new high score and new save point. All right. All right. That's a far jump.
We're
actually.
almost.
All right.
Yeah, a little bit.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. I think this is a
we did
new
it.
like spot. All right. Another
That is safe spot.
another elevator.
Okay. Why must you do this to me? I'm a Beyblade. I'm a Beyblade once again.
You
No,
have to
it's
show-
leaving without us.
Leave it.
Oh.
We'll come back. We'll come back.
Okay, it's going.
Bye.
Have a great time.
All right, we're
Can you
actually
play this?
quite a ways
I
in the air.
have a weird question.
Yeah.
Will you play this game solo?
No.
I wonder how tall this game goes. Is it like 1,000 meters or something, or like 10,000 meters?
All right. The Whispering Vault. Hang on.
Wait.
I want to adventure a little bit. We got some catacombs over here.
Catacombs.
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 Comb.
It's combs. There's
Alright.
there's not like
Well,
there's two O's there.
Nate, I think it's 2,000 up. If you look at the top left, we're kind of like,
I think the max is 10,000.
no, I feel like 10,000 is actually.
I don't know if we're supposed to touch that water.
We are.
I guess we are.
What do we do now? Oh. Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm assuming there's
here.
gonna be a drowning meter at some point, so I'm assuming we gotta get like above water.
All right. Well, we did that.
That was fun.
Okay, I was
That's a loud door.
that low key scared me,
Why am I ready for a PvP boss fight?
dude.
Elevator.
Okay, that door just closed.
That's
guys,
a loud door.
Guys, I'm scared.
Was I ready for a PvP boss fight?
Boys, I love you, but I love myself more.
I hate you.
Darn.
We're indoors.
We are indoors. We haven't had to
This
do
feels like a
any.
this feels like a boss fight room, and I don't like it.
Oh, buttons on top.
Oh, button. There's a button.
Where's the button?
No, over here.
Over here.
See a button.
Oh. We can jump on top of these. Come here.
No, not that one, Ben. Ben, the button here first.
Yeah, but I can. There's also other buttons.
Okay.
I wonder, do they stay pressed? Is it a time thing? All right, and jump to that one. 3, 2, go.
3, 2, go.
1. Up there.
Go,
3.
Go for the high one. Go for the
No,
high
no,
one. Or...
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. The one to our that way. 3. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. All right, we got it, and then that low one. Very good, boys.
Door's open.
I feel like that was a timed event.
Yeah, me too. But we're just so good, so.
Uh-oh.
We got to jump onto the wall.
All right.
Oh, those spiky things are back.
3, 2, 1, go. All right. All right, everyone.
let's get in
everyone
the same
together.
position.
Get together. All right. Wait
Nope. I feel like my foot's gonna hit that.
and go.
Go.
All right. Good job, boys.
Guys, I have a weird strategy.
All right,
What if
all right,
we just skip
get
it? What if
to
we
me.
just skip it?
Hang
What
on.
if we just skip it?
William.
No.
Oh.
What?
No. Oh my god. We just lost like 150 meters of progress.
All right, guys. So this was the first episode of Chained Together. If you guys want to see more, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. But we're kind of done with this, given we just lost
A lot of progress.
a lot of
It's only
progress.
100
But-
meters. I'm willing to keep going. Maybe
But-
we'll continue
That's 100.
this like next week.
Maybe yeah.
That was like-
maybe we'll continue it next week. But I hope you did enjoy this episode. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'll see you all in the next one. See ya.
Goodbye, my friends.